Hey guys, just looking at the conversion table, you see 5 miles per hour per second to standard gravity is 0.2279. You'll see on the next test, gravity G-force tested in the car at 0.89. If you take 0.89 divided by 0.2279, you'll get to 19.5 miles per hour per second. And those 19.5 miles per hour per second, if you times that 3, that will be approximately 60 miles per hour per second, which is exactly what the car is, approximately 2.9 seconds 0 to 60. So just wanted to talk about that calculation. Okay guys, let's do a launch start and just observe the G-force first, and then we'll do that with a performance timer. Okay, we're on tour mode. We'll try to improve it. Press the brake, press the accelerator, and do a launch start. Ready? Oh yes! That's what I was waiting for. Oh my gosh, the G's were felt, definitely. That was a lot of G's. That was amazing. Let's try that and put in a G position. Still in tour mode. Almost 1G. And that was 3.3 seconds in tour mode. That was amazing. That's a record on that one so far. Let's do a sport then track. Okay, let's go sport mode. Brake and accelerate and be ready. Those were the G's. And we go in performance timer. Press on the brake pedal, accelerate. And that's a 3.2. And now we'll do that on track mode. Okay, let's go on track mode now. Foot on the brake. Oh, this was the worst. What's going on? Let's do it again. Hope you guys enjoyed that little demo and enjoy your C8 as well. See you in another video.